Hey guys, I'm Alex Lowe's, KRT Kawasaki World Superbike rider. The current RST suits that I'm wearing are AAA certified, which means all the materials and the design is of the highest standard of protection. And now in the RST, some of the RST products that you guys can buy, that they're using on the street, on the track, are also AAA certified. So it's really nice to see the level of protection that's now available for you guys. All the mistakes I've made with crashing and falling down, all this information, RST, I've used all that to improve the products, and now the same level of protection that I receive on the track is for their customers on the street. I've got a lot of faith in the suit. You know, you need to have 100% trust in the kit that you're wearing to push on the limit, and now in motorcycle racing, everybody's on the limit, the lap times are so close, so it's something that I can just put out my mind and focus on giving my best.